All right, we're going to do a test ride on the Bathtub bike and see what Kevin thinks of the clutch.
Yeah,
Where'd you go?
and I said I think this is the one that doesn't like to be tickled, so there's no tickle, no throttle. We'll try that first. But it is a cold start. First kick, no tickle. No, fine.
Okay, well that didn't record, so here's the after-action report, take two.
Yeah, that's
All
right.
right, so
I think it's great. She accelerates fine, she shifts fine. The brakes are what the brakes are. I mean, you just got to realize that. The biggest problem I had, because it's a smaller bike, was just getting my foot underneath the gear shift lever. And, it's like so many of these, once you make the shift, you got to pull your foot off and let everything set.
it's okay.
The clutch is a little hard, but I think that's just the nature of this monster. I don't know, you could change the cable out, and I'm not sure that would make a difference. But,
Okay.
I would say give it to the client, let him make the decision, and if he wants to, we can change the cable out.
All right. Okay, so at this point in time, we're going to give it back to the client. He can decide whether he wants us to change out the clutch cable for him to see if it makes it any smoother, or he can order it and change it himself. That's no problem. We we went through the clutch, we went through the front brake, we fixed the side stand. I'm just going to go ahead and chalk all that up to warranty, and no charge on what we did. And it's up to the client to decide if he wants us to do anything beyond what we've done. Okay? All right, so I'll send this to the client and let him make the decision.